So now I've got the bowling ball on the drill press, and the first thing I need to do is I need to center the bowling ball. In an earlier video I showed you where the middle of his hand was going to be. Now I actually need to line the drill bit up with that middle part. So we're going to move the ball over and find the exact center point of his grip. Now to make sure that I'm actually going up and down correctly, I'm going to put the drill bit very close to the ball. And what's nice about this jig is it swivels back and forth. So as you can see, I'm actually on the correct line. It's going up and down, it's centered. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the drill bit up next to the ball. I'm going to zero it out because right now it says negative 0.827. I want that to say 0. So I'm just going to press the 0 button. And now it's at 0. So anything deeper than this is going to actually show me in inches how deep I'm going into the ball. We can't drill the ball as it is. We need something to hold it down. So put this plate over it. And now it's secured. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, what is John's thumb to middle finger span? It's 4 1/16. So I need to come back half of that, which is going to be 2 1/32. So I go back 2 1/32. That brings me to the front edge of the hole. Well, I don't want to drill there. I want to drill a little bit further back. I'm going to actually drill half the distance of his thumb hole size. So his thumb hole size is 13/16. I need to go back half of that. Right there. As I said in the earlier video, I want to actually drill near the PSA and actually drill through the PSA so that this ball will rev up a little bit faster for John. The last thing you're going to do is do the pitches. Fortunately for me, this is going to be really easy because John doesn't have any lateral or linear pitches. They're 0, 0. So we're ready to go ahead and drill this thing. Just line everything up, make sure everything's nice and tight. Everything's good to go. Now the last thing you'll notice is that this is a very specific drill bit for the interchangeable thumb system. It comes with a stopper that makes it so you cannot go any deeper than that. So it comes with this really nice tape that you put down on the ball, and it ensures that you're not going to make a burn mark in the ball. So we rip it off. Put it right there. And this makes sure that you absolutely cannot burn the ball. Gonna get a little loud, but here we go. As you can see, the tape has ripped, which is good. So instead of the ball coming in contact with the stopper, it's come in contact with the tape, ensuring that you're not going to leave a burn mark. The last part that you need to do when you're installing the interchangeable thumb is you need to take the 1/2 inch bit, which is the smallest bit usually in a standard set of drill bits. You need to drill another inch deep so that there's somewhere for the the safety molly and the safety expander to go when you install the interchangeable thumb. So again, I'm going to go 1 inch deep. thankfully, my digital pitch gauge allows me to know where an inch is once I've reached the bottom of that original hole. In the next video, I'm going to actually go ahead and drill the finger holes.